need you to tell people what we're doing to that. So it's either you or me.
So what we got going on here? What are we doing? We have a 56 Power Wagon here. We boxed in the frame, welded it all up, made it look pretty for the customer. Now we're using body filler, and we're gonna put it over the edges, smooth it out, and then we're gonna paint it. After that, we're gonna put the 6.4 liter Hemi in it, and the whole drivetrain is out of a 2018 Jeep, so it's gonna be all modernized. We're gonna put suspension on it, big wheels and tires. It's gonna be big and bad for this customer. Selling Bogarts, you know. Alright, so you're gonna see something pretty funny. We have this GT500 here. Comical story of why it's here. I don't know if I can go into full detail about it, but I'll show you this. If you see right here, take that. If you look right here, it's a pretty nice paw print. Which took out some things. So while this car is here getting fixed for all of that, the customer decided to do our stage 4 package as well. The first one that we did made 1,002 wheel horsepower. We're shooting for the same numbers, definitely shooting for over 1,000 on this one. Same everything, we're not changing anything up. So we'll see if the package is repeatable since this is our second one. Right now it's in its stage. We're just waiting on parts. The blower's off at Modern Airflow Dynamics getting ported. They're almost done with that though, so we should have this one back up and going pretty soon, but this is what it looks like while it's all apart. So the stage 4 package includes ported blower, fuel rails for better fuel distribution, cold air intake, throttle body, upper pulley only, no lower pulley, injectors, and a few other little things, free-flowing exhaust and whatnot, still using the factory mufflers. But yeah, while it's apart, this is what it looks like. I usually don't show this to the customers because they freak out, but this is all a part of the process, and it comes back looking like nothing ever happened. The cool thing about this car is that it's got the carbon fiber wheels. It's a track pack car, so it has the big carbon fiber spoiler as well, competition seats, the pretty blue color, so it's gonna be pretty awesome whenever it's done.
Paper plates?
Paper plates. The car's got 100 miles on it.
That's less than the first one we did.
The first one had, when I was done with it, it had 207. When it came in, it had 190. So. I think I should get that.
Sure. Tell them to send the money right away.
Mustang Performance, how may I help you?
Nada?
I think it's just too much.
Too much for them.
Too much for him. Hey man, I got a tune, so when you gonna be ready, bro?
Huh?
When you gonna be ready for some tuning?
Dude, I got to wire it before you can tune it. Come down there and help. Come on. Oh, I remember what I was doing.
It would look a lot
He wants
better.
to drive this weekend.
Oh. Well, I got it's gonna take me at least a month to tune it, so.
It's going to take me a month and a half to wire it.
Does he really want to drive it this weekend?
Yeah.
Alright.
Is it really going to take you a month to clean?
No.
Okay, I was going to say.
No.
We got to make sure that people know that.
Day or two tops. Probably about
15 minutes.
No, probably
Roughly.
an hour to 2 hours to tune it.
Tops.
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 If it goes longer than that, I don't want to talk to you because I'm in a bad mood. So on this 68 Camaro, the customer had already got the LS swap done by somebody else. I believe he purchased the car like this. Had a few issues, of course, so we fixed a lot of those for him. He drives it around almost on a daily basis. And so after a little bit of diagnosing on a issue that just came up, the old ECU system that he had in this car, the old fuel injection system, actually went bad. So we're big fans of Holly. So we're gonna put the Holly Terminator X-Max in here with a couple of other little goodies, and then we'll tune it up for him. And I guess, like Sean said, he wants to drive it this weekend, so we're gonna try to do that for him.
Doing a fine job.
I'll just do it.
Doing
for
a
you.
fine job.
I'll just do it for you. All right, so we're in the dining room now. We got this GT350 in here. It's just got our stage 4 package. It's got a little bit more than a stage 4, so you can call it a stage 4 plus, I guess. So completely stock motor, completely stock trans. This is a car that we took to COTA and started to do the roll racing event in. The 1,000 horsepower class. The car didn't make 1,000 horsepower back then, but we still ran it for fun. Went to the semifinals, so it did pretty well. So the setup on this car is a ProCharger D1 SC with a Sean's Custom Alloy intake manifold that we just added. It's not actually made for the GT350, so we had to do a few little custom things to make it work. Lund tuned still. It's got a clutch, headers, 4 Innovations fuel system, injectors, E85. Another custom piece that we did is all this piping for the V-bands. It just makes it a lot more reliable. You won't have charge pipes flying off and stuff like that. It's just, plus it makes it look a lot nicer. But yeah, we're gonna tune it and see what it makes with this intake manifold. What I have up here is the before and afters. With the intake manifold, we put down 981 wheel horsepower, 681 wheel torque. Back whenever we just put the ProCharger on itself with I believe with the headers and just 93 octane, it put down 715 484. So with the fuel system, E85, a lot more boost. The intake manifold, the V-band piping and everything, now we've picked up quite a bit and we're sitting at 981.